Welcome! Today I am with Xiaomi Mi 9 SE and I will show you how you can change your always on display theme. So at the first you have to go for the settings, find always on display in the lock screen. Next you have to enable always on display, and if you want to change the theme you have to click on the style. As you can see here we can find a couple of the themes that we can set up. For example, I'm going to change for this one, it looks really cool. Here we can also change the text color. And just click simply apply and take a look how our theme has changed. There it is. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.